Hey, watch. Watch. Oh man. Hold on here. Let's do it again. Do it again. Wait. Are your hands right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the ball. Ready? Swing. Good shot. Good shot.
That hurts me.
That hurt you?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be careful. This table baseball is dangerous. Ready? Ready? Ooh. All right, let's do one more. Let's see what else you got. Let me see your hands. Put them all the way at the bottom. That's not the bottom. The other bottom. There you go. Now look at the ball. Look at the ball. And swing. That was a good shot. That was a good shot.
Where is it now?
You find it. I don't know what'd you do with it. One more shot. Ready?